Francis, if you could do this, you can fly a helicopter. Put the ball, let me get it off him.
Aww.
All right, get it back on there. Smooth corrections.
I did it!
That's a hover. That's if you can do that, you can hover. Not too big. There you go. Take a smile for the camera. That's good, boy.